Hello and welcome to Trucker, the first trucking application designed for our nation's drivers. We want to thank you for your trust and support in downloading this app, and we hope that it becomes your favorite iPhone application. We designed it so that you can have input in the added links and content, as these can be updated daily according to your suggestions. So this is just a quick preview of the Trucker application so that you can familiarize yourself with everything on it, as you'll find many features and categories you'll soon learn to use and enjoy. So as you can see on your iPhone, you should have our Trucker app there. And as you know, all you'd have to do is just touch on it. And this will start loading the application for you. And once loaded, it's going to bring you to the home page. Now the home page is also called the splash page. And this page will have a new message of the day on it. And when you touch on the message of the day, it's going to take you directly to the driver's resource page. And there, this is where you will have links to many of your most wanted and needed sites, such as official links, DOT listings, trucker services, security and emergency, the DAC report, PDF information, truckers helping truckers, U.S. time zones, and just so much more. And as you can see at the bottom on the Trucker application, there's 5 buttons: Home, News, Events, Media, and Twitter. So we'll just go on and we'll just touch on News. And this will bring you to the news section, and this is another interactive area. This is the Ask the Trucker News and article blog where you can offer comments to all of the blog posts. And from here, just for fun, we'll go back to the splash page, play with our windshield wipers here for a second. And then we'll go on and we'll go ahead and touch the events. And this will bring up the events section. And this is another great section that allows for daily uploading of the most recent trucking events going on throughout the country. And again, if you know of an event and you don't see it here, just write us. And if it's a valid trucking event, we'll be glad to add it on there for you. And the 4th button here, we'll go ahead and we'll touch on Media. And this is a pretty cool section. The Media, this is where all the YouTube videos and MP3 blog talk radio shows, and here are some videos that we've chosen for you. But if you would like to share your own videos with other iPhone Trucker app users, again, just send us the URLs of your favorites and we'll do our best to get it on there for you. And as you know, if you want to watch one, you just touch on it and it's going to bring up the built-in media player. And it'll start loading it, and you can watch the movie or the video or listen to the audio from here. And one great thing about Trucker is on most mobile applications, when you click Done, you leave the application completely. But Trucker is a little bit special. As you can see, when you click on Done in the Trucker application, you always go back to the previous page that you were at. You never leave the application. A very special feature that we're proud of here on Trucker. And finally, we have the Twitter. And Twitter's pretty cool. This is a Twitter feed, and Twitter will be feeding up-to-date news so you can keep up on the daily events. And you can also follow Donna and myself on here just in case you want to know what we're twittering about. And now I know many of you truckers are already on Twitter, but for those who aren't familiar, you can just go to twitter.com and look and see what the entire world is doing on Twitter. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. And we'll just get out of Twitter and we'll just go back to very top of where we were. And so this is a brief introduction to the Trucker application. And we appreciate you downloading Trucker, and we look forward to hearing from you. And so I appreciate it. Thanks for listening.